Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today I've got a super cute video for you. I've got these two little bunnies that have been hanging around my house, and I actually captured video of them playing with each other just the other day. And there's a little bit of a story that goes with this, is that I made a video about 3 months ago of two fully grown rabbits that have been hanging around my house. One of them I think is a white-tailed jackrabbit, and the other one I think is a black-tailed jackrabbit. But when I do a Google image search on these two little bunnies here, Google says that these guys are desert cottontails. So I'm not sure what the story is, because as you'll see here in just a second, I've got video of the black-tailed jackrabbit in the vicinity of one of these bunnies. So I'm assuming that these are the offspring of those two jackrabbits, and maybe Google image just can't tell that these are simply jackrabbit bunnies, which are called leverets. So anyway, in between the narration of this video, I'm going to sprinkle in some fun facts. I've got 12 fun facts for you, and a little bit of educational material. Number 1. A baby rabbit is called a kit. While some might use the term kitten or even bunny to refer to young rabbits, kit is the more accurate term. Okay, so this is what I'm assuming is maybe the mother, because I believe that this is the black-tailed jackrabbit, and I learned that the black-tailed jackrabbits are just a little bit smaller than the white-tailed jackrabbit. So let's just say that the father is the white-tail and the mother is the black-tail, and that these are the offspring. But I'm just confused as to why Google image says that these are desert cottontails, because they do have pretty big ears. I'm assuming that those ears will sprout up as they develop, but I'm really not sure. I guess I'd be interested to know if there's any rabbit or hair experts that could tell me exactly what's going on. But if this is the mother, which I'm assuming it is, she's just beautiful. Number 2. A female rabbit is called a doe, while a male rabbit is called a buck. Number 3. Desert cottontails are cute little rabbits commonly found in the southwestern U.S., including Colorado. They have big ears to help release heat, sandy gray fur that blends into the dry terrain, and a fluffy white cotton tail. Number 4. They eat grasses, leaves, and cactus pads, even chewing bark when food is scarce. Number 5. Desert cottontails are fast and can zigzag to dodge predators like hawks, coyotes, and snakes. They usually freeze when they sense danger, then bolt if needed. So here are the two bunnies together. One of them appears to be noticeably smaller than the other one, so I'm not sure what that's all about. Maybe they came from separate litters, or maybe they are brother and sister. I'm not really sure, but this little tiny one is so cute. They just really enjoy licking the bottom of my car for some crazy reason. Number 6. They're also prolific breeders. A single female can have several litters each year. So here's one of the little guys. They're just digging for food. I'm assuming they're digging for some type of roots, and they just dig and dig and dig, and it's just the cutest thing when they get their little paws going. I'm assuming they like carrots, which is a root vegetable, so I'm assuming they're finding something down there. I don't think they're looking for bugs. I think they're just looking for some kind of roots. Number 7. Jackrabbits are not actually rabbits, they're hares. Jackrabbits are commonly found in western and central North America. They tend to prefer open, flat areas where they can easily spot predators and escape using their speed. Number 8. A baby jackrabbit is called a leveret. While many people refer to them informally as bunnies, leverets is actually the correct term for young hares. Number 9. Hares typically have longer ears than rabbits and much larger feet. Number 10. Cottontail rabbits are born blind, nearly naked, and helpless. Hares, by contrast, are born fully furred and ready to hop. Number 11. Colorado jackrabbits include the white-tailed jackrabbit and the black-tailed jackrabbit. White-tailed jackrabbits turn white in the winter, but black-tailed jackrabbits do not. If you're interested to know where I'm recording this video, this is the front yard of my house. I live in Blanca, Colorado, which is southern Colorado in the San Luis Valley. And the mountain you see back there is Mount Blanca. The peak, I believe, is 14,351 feet, I think. So I've got plans to try to summit that peak. It'll probably be a 2-day adventure because it's just not going to be manageable for me to do it in one day. So I have plans to hike up to Lake Como and camp out for one night, and then finish the hike up to the peak of Blanca the next day. This little guy that's just licking the bottom of my vehicle, I can't imagine what he's... It's not like it's winter time and there's salt on there. It's just dust and dirt. But he's getting something off of there for sure. And number 12. The white-tailed jackrabbit is also known as the prairie hare, while the black-tailed jackrabbit is also known as the American desert hare and is generally slightly smaller than the white-tailed jackrabbit. So I've been trying to figure out exactly what they're eating. These, it appears to be some type of grass, and I think there's seeds sprouting at the end of the grass. So I don't know if they prefer the seeds or if they prefer the actual grasses, or maybe both. Because he seems to kind of go over the top to pick the seeds off. I'm not quite sure, to be honest with you. So here's another shot. So I'm assuming this is the black-tailed jackrabbit, and I'm thinking that this is the mother. But with that Google image search, I'm just completely confused as to how a couple of jackrabbits could give birth to desert cottontails. You can see it's definitely a jackrabbit. Look how long those feet are. Those ears. I mean, I don't think there's any question that this is a jackrabbit. So I got a little bit nervous. I saw the smaller of the bunnies a few weeks ago, and then I didn't see him for a few days. And so I got a little bit nervous that maybe they didn't make it or got captured by a coyote or something. And then turns out I end up finding the little bunny again, and he's got a little brother or sister with him, which is just the cutest thing. So I'm going to play one quick song for you, and then we will go ahead and wrap up this video. Thanks for watching.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
Anyway, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.